Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be on Fantom or FTM.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be speaking about the cryptocurrency called Fantom, also known as FTM, and it should be quite an interesting video for you guys. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
So looking at Coinmarketcap here, as you know, today is the 6th of January, so this obviously will be uploaded a bit later, and so you will know what's happened with the market since this video has been recorded, sorry. What's happened today is Bitcoin has dumped to $42,000. Hopefully that is the bottom now, but we obviously don't know this, which has obviously caused every altcoin to dump dramatically, apart from the select few that don't really get phased by Bitcoin at all, such as PBX or XNL, Plutus, things like that. Rarely get phased by Bitcoin, and they haven't yet so far. So as you can see, we're at $2.82, and we have dumped by 8.8% today, and that is due to Bitcoin dumping down to 42k. And this is being recorded on the 6th of January, and this will be uploaded a bit later than that, a few days later. So you all know what has happened since then. But we've dramatically dumped all altcoins really, apart from the ones that don't really get phased by Bitcoin, such as Plutus, PBX, XNL, coins like that. Many Cardano dApps that are not getting too phased by it as much as the rest. As you can see, we're at a $7.1 billion market cap, so a huge market cap. 10% is absolutely massive for this coin to be dumping 8%, basically 10%. But if we have a look down here of what's going on with charts, if we look in the past 30 days, we have been in an uptrend, as you can see, so it is time really for a downtrend to occur, a bit like this. As you can see, we've basically reached the same points. I do believe this could be the same type of thing to come now. Of course, not financial advice, but yeah, we have reached $3.09 and we're 20 cents below that now. Of course, there will be retracements, such as you can see, go back up, down, higher highs. But if we go down to where you can buy it, you can buy it on crypto.com, Binance, Qcoin. That'd be my main three that you'd buy it from. Not really anywhere else, such as Woo Network. But yeah, let's get into the updates that's going on. So as we can see here, Fantom is now haunting the Bridge wallet, so you can buy FTM directly on the Fantom wallet now by bank transfer, starting at 0% fees. Now that's great. You can also cash out, and remember, this is a decentralized wallet, so you can now cash out your 20 fiat in your bank account as well, which is amazing. So what you do is you'd exchange it on SpookySwap on your phone. So this is really a big update, and a lot of people are very excited about this, and a lot of people are backing this as well. It is a great project, and as we see, more tokens are also using Fantom as their home network, which is extremely bullish for Fantom. As you see, Keck Tools have made it their home network, which is absolutely massive. A lot of people are bullish about this as well. And then the next thing would be there is more total value locked away, which is very bullish as well. There was 100 million and now it's 150 million. This is very bullish, as it means it's harder for the price to dump as they've been locked away, and that is a huge amount. This is total, by the way. This is tokens, sorry, not dollars. This is a lot of tokens considering the price. It is not a small amount, so that is very bullish as well for the future of Fantom. So if we get into the technical analysis now.
As you can see here, this chart does look similar to the Cosmos chart, and it does look quite interesting. If you do watch our previous video on Cosmos, highly recommend you guys. You will be able to understand a lot of things that I've said. For example, that we are in a massive consolidation, and that is also visible on the Fantom chart on a daily time frame. However, if you do check out the weekly and monthly time frame, you will be able to see that the Fantom chart over time does tend to, go higher. And it does tend to make higher highs and higher lows. So a lot of people don't realize this, and they just, think of the short term, and they don't realize that many cryptocurrencies are destined to do very well if only people held. Okay. So at this moment in time, we can't be totally sure whether the cryptocurrency wants to be pumping higher, since we have made a double bottom, and that's like a very good indicator to tell us that we do want to be making all-time highs. And as you can see, that double bottom is visible there. And we've also got a trend line that's been broken, a downward trend. And we didn't get a retest, so we may actually end up reaching a retest, and we may actually end up potentially pumping higher to all-time highs, to maybe $5, $10, and yeah, to the moon. So if we go to the hourly time frame, as you can see on the hourly time frame, we can see that we have been on a basic downward trend. However, it does look like a nice bull flag, which does look like it wants to be breaking out. And as you guys know, we are very, very bullish on cryptocurrency as a whole. Just recently, Bitcoin was very unexpected to be going down to 42k, and it's been very depressing to see that happen. A lot of people have lost a lot of money from just investing into Bitcoin. So seeing Bitcoin reach 42k was very, very unexpected, and yeah, it always happens, always unexpected. But from what we understand now, we've had a massive, nice rejection from $2.60, and it does look like we want to be making kind of like a higher high, because that rejection, you can see it's been bought up very, very nicely, and it does look like we are forming a bit of consolidation within the hourly time frame. We've got some sort of trend line formation, so we've got a nice wedge there. So yeah, it does look interesting to see what actually happens next. And yeah, we'll be updating you guys as soon as we get anything new.
So that is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that subscribe button. It really does help us out, and you definitely want to stay tuned for our future videos. There is a lot of value coming soon. So thank you very much, and have a lovely rest of your day.